Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to force the 120Hz refresh rate on your POCO X7 Pro. And also in here I want to show you how to monitor it in real time. Whether you want that ultra smooth scrolling or prefer saving battery, I will walk you through both options step by step. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your settings and then just scroll down until you find display and brightness, this one, and then right here just scroll down and tap on refresh rate. In here you will see two main options, default and custom. If you choose default, the phone will automatically adjust the refresh rate depending on what you're doing with balancing smoothness and battery life. But if you want full control, just tap on custom. And then now under custom you can manually select either on here, either 60 Hz for longer battery life or 120 Hz for that super smooth battery animations and scrolling experience. Next, if you want specific apps to always run at high refresh rate, in this case on 120 Hz, just tap on apps using high refresh rate, this one, just tap on it. And then in here you will see a list of your installed apps. Just pick the ones that you want to keep at 120 Hz and turn them on like this. Just choose the app that you want to keep at 120 Hz refresh rate. Usually it's perfect for games, social medias, or anything that benefit for smoother visual. And then now let's see how you can monitor the actual refresh rate on your screen. To do this, we need to enable developer options first. Just go back to the settings and then go to about phone, this one, and then go to detail info and specs, and then now tap on OS versions about 7 times until you see a message saying you are now a developer, like this. Like this. And then next go back to main settings and then use search bar at the top just type refresh rate and then just select show refresh rate, this one, from the result, and then just turn it on. In here just turn it on like this, and now you will notice a small number showing up at the top left corner of your screen. That's your current refresh rate in real time. But just take a note, during this screen recording this number might not appear on this video, but you will see it clearly on your own device. And okay, that's it. Now you know how to force 120 Hz refresh rate and then customize refresh rate and monitor them live on your POCO X7 Pro. With this way, you can easily switch between smooth performance and better battery life depending on your needs. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!